What if I told you that your greatest suffering, your deepest anxieties, and even your repeated failures are not actually yours? Most of us spend our entire lives acting as the main character in a story we didn't even write. We say, I am sad, I am stressed, or I am not good enough, never realizing that these are just frequencies passing through us. Today, we are going to break the ultimate illusion. Once you truly realize that the thoughts in your head are not you, the wall between you and your desires collapses. When the observer awakens, reality has no choice but to respond instantly. Prepare yourself, your life is about to change forever. Think of your brain not as a producer of thoughts, but as a receiver, much like a radio. When you tune into a station and a sad song plays, you don't say, I am this song. You know the song is a signal coming from a distant tower. Your mind works exactly the same way. Scientists and ancient mystics both agree. The human mind is a gateway for collective consciousness, past programming, and environmental signals. These thoughts enter your field, stay for a moment, and leave. The mistake we make is claiming them. The moment you say my thought, you anchor yourself to that reality. But the moment you observe the thought without claiming it, you regain your power as the creator. Why does reality shift the moment you detach? It's simple. Physics. Everything in this universe is vibration. Your thoughts are the steering wheel of your vibrational state. When you are attached to a negative thought, you are locked into a low-frequency reality. You attract what you are entangled with. However, when you realize a thought is just a passing cloud, you enter the state of the void or the observer. In this stillness, you are no longer resisting life. You become a clear channel. Because you are no longer pushing against what is, the universe can finally deliver what could be. This is why miracles often happen when you finally let go. How do you apply this today? Start by changing your language. Instead of saying, I am angry, say, I notice a feeling of anger passing through me. This small shift creates a buffer zone. It's the difference between being trapped in a storm and watching the storm from a window. When a thought of lack or fear arises, smile at it. Treat it like a stranger passing by on the street. You don't have to follow them home. You just watch them walk away. In this space of non-reaction, your true self emerges. This is the version of you that is already wealthy, already healthy, and already whole. By not being the thought, you finally become the creator. You are the ocean. The thoughts are just the waves. Waves come and go, but the ocean remains vast, deep, and untouched. Today, choose to be the ocean. Stop fighting the waves and start commanding the tides. If you are ready to reclaim your reality, comment down below, I am the observer. Let this be your contract with the universe. If this message resonated with your soul, subscribe and join our community of awakening minds. Until next time, stay conscious and stay powerful.